When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit.
Hey y'all, what's going on everybody? It's been a long day, so I'm just gonna get through this haul as quick as possible so I can get my milk and stuff put up, because I'm pretty sure everything is getting hot. Today's just been a long, rough day. I'm aggravated, I'm tired, I'm frustrated. I just want to go to bed at this point and start all over tomorrow. It's like I said, it's just been a long day. My mama had her doctor's appointment today, so you guys just continue to keep her in y'all prayers. Y'all know today was her birthday. She turned 70 today, but nothing today went the way that we anticipated and we thought. But at the end of the day, God's still going to get the glory. He's still going to get the blessings. They did deliver our washing machine, but they couldn't put it together. They're going to come back and get the old one. My brother had to come because they said that they couldn't turn the water off and take the hose off. My brother took the hose off with no problem. And my thing is, they was the one who connected the washer when we got it a couple of years ago. Even though it was different people, it was still Lowe's. So I paid for the installation fee and for them to haul it off. They didn't install it. They said they're going to come back and haul it off. That'll be the $30. But they still got to reimburse me for the installation fee because they didn't install it. My brother did. So I'm going to call Lowe's tomorrow. I'm not even going to try to get in touch with anybody today. So I went on and started one load just so we can make sure it wasn't leaking. So I'm just going to head on and do me and mama laundry. Like I said, it's just been a day. But like I said, y'all just keep praying for the family, praying for mama. When she's comfortable and ready to tell you guys, she will. But I can tell you guys, all she can have is all soft foods. Just like you remember that last haul I did, and I said I had to go get her a bunch of Jell-O and stuff. So it just looked like we're going to have to stretch this out a little bit longer. We was going to do her birthday dinner, and we had planned seafood, but she cannot have that. So I'm just going to bake some chicken and do some cheesy potatoes and some fried corn for her because she can have that. And so, yeah. And like I said, when she feel comfortable updating you guys, she will. So I'm going to start. So most of this stuff is for my mama. And a few things on here for Philip. So I just got him some more canned goods to stock him up because I honestly don't know how often I'll be able to get out with everything going on with mama. When I do, it'll be quick trips to the store. I got 2 things of Smucker's Goober Grape to stock him back up. I got some Smucker's just regular grape jelly for our peanut butter. I got 3 things of Imperial butter, margarine, whichever you want to call it. I got 4 things of home-style mashed potatoes. I think I got 4, yeah, just for mama if she want to make her some quick. I got 2 of these 2 pounds of strawberries. So I'm going to go ahead on and cut them up. She can eat those. I got some more grits, so she can have her some grits. Y'all remember in that haul, I got her some cream of wheat, so I got her some more. I did the instant maple brown sugar, and then I got 2 boxes of these for her. So hopefully this will last for a minute. I forgot to put these up, and I know they probably defrosted. I got 12 of these fudge bars. Hold on one second, y'all. Alright, y'all, sorry about that. So I said the cream of wheat. I got 2 of these Minute Maid berry punches that I need to get put in the refrigerator. Some 10-pound bag of potatoes, because like I said, she can eat those. I was finally able to find Philip some Velveeta, the 8-packs, because I still have not had a chance to get to Sam's. And I don't even know when I'm going to be able to go, honestly. I got her 2 things of these breakfast carnation essentials. I got one. One of them is different from the other. And I'm trying to see. Oh, these here. I got her the high protein ones because she does take Ensure, the high protein. But she can also do the carnations. Anything that got extra protein in it. So I got her a 12-pack of these with the high protein. And then I just got the 12 pack. These are like the shake and goes, I think, as well. Because they only had one box of these. So I just got what they had. And like I said, if I do get a chance to go to Sam's, I'll get her some more and get her some of the Ensure with protein. I got 4 of the snack packs with the pudding, chocolate and vanilla. Can you turn it down a little bit? And then I got 2 of the Great Value, the cherry fruit mixes, 2 12 packs. We needed some more cereal, and then plus she can kind of eat cereal. And I tried to get the softest ones. We do have Raisin Bran up there, but she won't be able to eat the raisins. We got Frosted Flakes. She can eat those. So I just got the Cocoa Pebble, Fruity Pebbles, and some more of the Fruit Loops, because the Fruity Pebbles and stuff, they soften enough she can eat them. I got her some of these Jellos, the snack pack cherry. She'll probably eat some, and Philip will probably eat some, but I pretty much bought the cherry ones for Mama. Because that's what, 16 of them. And then I got her 2 of the snack pack. And Philip, he'll eat these sometime, but he still has a lot left. That's over there on that stand over here. And she still have apple sauces and some more Jellos and stuff over there. And they got some in the cabinet. So I got 2 of the snack pack banana cream pie, just to kind of give her a different taste. And then I got Philip some of the Magic Unicorn puddings. And then I got him the Kool-Aid gels, the strawberry kiwi, for him to take for lunch. And then I got myself one of these dough fruit mixes. 2 gallons of milk. I did get the Borden with the white milk and then the chocolate, but I got to hurry up and get those in the refrigerator. And then I got her 4 things of soup. I just did the, y'all know this like the Progresso, but it's a Great Value. I did 4 of the chicken noodle, and she still have, I think, like 8 things of chicken noodle soup in there. And then I got 2 of these small sweet potatoes. I do have some whole sweet potatoes down in the on that little stand, but I just got these in case you just want to open her up some of these real quick. And I think I forgot to mention them s'mores, but Riante got them, and I got 2 more things of bread. And I think that was it. We got some bananas yesterday. And hold on a second, y'all. And like I said, they still have some pudding left up there in the backup cabinet and some more Jello. So I'm about to get this stuff stocked up, get some more laundry washed, and get me a shower or soap and just relax for the day. I do got to go get Mama medicine. They called and said it was in, but she said she'll just start on it tomorrow. I may still go get it once I get this milk up, just so I won't have to go out tomorrow. Because when I tell you guys, today's just been a long, bad day. It's just been a long, bad day. And as far as my doctor's appointment, for those who are still here and care, I got to go back in 2 weeks. I did go yesterday, and I didn't really get any good news. But it's nothing that I want to share at the quite moment. But like I said, I do got to go back in 2 weeks for another ultrasound and more tests and stuff. So just everything yesterday and then everything today, it's just been back to back, not so good news. And then all falling around Mama's 70th birthday. So just like, you just want to be able to just catch a little break. And then I know finding out this about the washer, I'm glad we got the washer and it's hooked up. But it's just annoying when you pay a company to do something and it's like your hard-earned money. It's not free money. It's not money that people giving you or no tax money. It's just hard-earned money, and you paying your money to get stuff, and you paying extra for services. And it's always something. Like, it just seems like it's just always something when it's coming down to Lowe's now. The guy is finally coming out and put the other thing on the dryer. He came out once, and y'all remember he had to come back because he fixed one thing and then something else messed up. So he did actually get the part. It came in through UPS the other day, so he'll be coming out Monday. And I told a lady from Lowe's, if he reschedule again, I'm reporting the whole claim because the part came in, so he has no other excuse. So it's, yeah. And I'm not one of them people that be mean or rude or nothing, but it's like, when you know you've been taken advantage of and it's your hard-earned money that you putting towards stuff and paying for stuff, you don't want to get the runaround. because they want their money when you got to pay for stuff, you know. So hopefully after this to get done, that'll be a little bit less done out of our hair. So like I said, if I sound any kind of ways, because I am, like I said, when I tell y'all we've been hitting by a lot of bad news over the last 2 days, and I'm just tired and just drained right now. But my spirit's going to stay up. The family spirit's going to stay up. We're going to keep God in everything. Head of our life, we're going to keep praying, and we know it's going to be okay. It's just what it is at the moment. So I will see you guys later. Like I said, just continue just praying for us. We'll continue praying for y'all. We will be back with another video soon. I do have a video that's scheduled to come out, and whatever else we do for our parents, you will see that. So we love y'all guys. Y'all stay blessed. Have an amazing week. Amazing weekend coming up, because today is Thursday. Philip started back to school today after they Mardi Gras break. I still got to see if this child got homework. So yeah, but I'll see y'all later. Later, y'all.
Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.